To display Face Age on your Shopify website, follow these steps. Step 1. From the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the Publish page. Here, you have two methods to display Face Age. Method 1. Modal display. In this method, an icon will be added to all your pages. You can preview its display in the right side preview. Click on the Add button. A GIF will appear, demonstrating the steps. Below the GIF, click on Continue to Customize Page. You'll be redirected to your site's home page. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a toggle for the Face Age embed. Turn it on to display the Face Age icon on your site's pages. Return to the previous page and navigate to the Customize section via the right-hand sidebar. Instructions for customizing this section will follow later. Method 2. Section Display. This method allows you to create a dedicated section for displaying your AI Skin Analyzer. Select the section option and click Add. Again, a GIF will show how to add the section. Click on Continue to Customize Page to go to your site's homepage. From the right-hand sidebar, select Add Section. In the Opened menu, go to the Apps tab and choose the Face Age Skin Analyzer from the list. The section will then be added.